Okay, guys, previously we are successfully able to push our local changes on our remote repository, right? And we have created our one branch here, which is main, and we have also created the same branch in our local system, right? And we are successfully able to push our code into that repository, right? It's only for the one developer, right? If he is working on it again, so how many changes he don't need all of the above steps. Some are steps of the optional. So if I go here and now work it again on that, we have a VS code. I'm going to add another file which is about.html. I'm going to say here about us from main, and now I want to add let's say currently we don't have any files. We have pushed all of our files, and now I have created one new file which doesn't exist here. So it's now showing here. There is a Github option here. Just click on this second tab. So it's saying that what kind of changes it's remaining. So it's saying that you have a about us file which doesn't exist on the server, right? Which doesn't committed. So first you need to commit this into your repository, and then you will push this to this branch. So on the first day, developer make a website using this index file and push everything. So from the next day he is starting the work again and created this created this index about us file, and then the day is completed, right? It's another feature. So now he need again to push their code on the GitHub daily basis. So if something happen wrong with this with their computer, so he will be still easily able to pull that code from the GitHub rather than losing that code. So now he need to push that code again, right? So he don't need to type here git init because GitHub is already initialized into that my app directory. So what he will do here is git add. First add all of the files, so GitHub know that what kind of files new added there, so it will track the new files. And then we need to add a commit, git commit -m added about .html or about feature, something like this. And whenever I'll commit this track changes will be gone from here. Click on it, you can see this one file is changed, right? One file is changed, and now I want to basically push that file on our server, right? So we have committed that file, and now we don't need to create the origin or a branch because it's already we are in the same branch. If you want to check that which branch you are, git branch, and it's returning the main branch. I'm in the main branch. So I want to push those changes on the server, and we don't need to link our this local branch with this remote branch because it's already linked. So we have fewer steps. We need to type here git push origin, and then you don't need to type -m or -u, and then you need to mention your main, your branch name. I want to push it from the main branch. Hit enter. So this will push your code on this remote branch, and yes, it's 100% pushed that. If you will refresh that, it will contain this about.html, and yes, you can see this about.html is appeared, right? So identical step developer do here, git add, git commit, git push. That's it, these three steps, and then this changes is pushed. And if you go here, you can see this, there is no tracked changes here because it's added on the remote branch and it's disappeared from this local changes. Our we don't have any local changes which is remaining, which is doesn't exist on this basically our remote branch. We have pushed everything, right? This is for only a single developer when he is working on the application, right? He is pushing, he is adding a new feature, he is pushing from the same file and then pushing onto this main branch and everything, and he don't need to create a new branch. Everything is in the main branch because he is only the single developer. But when you are working in a team, you need multiple branches for your team member. So how to do these things, which is advanced concept. So I'm going to teach this advanced concept too. So I'm going to perform this in the next video, and if you think that these videos are adding value into your career, please support me and also share your feedback in the comment box that is these videos are useful for you and what kind of more videos I need to add into that series. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.